Hi, I'm Wally, and thank you for watching our Plum Easy Geyser Blanket video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you 8 excellent reasons why you should be installing the Plum Easy Geyser Blanket on your geyser in your house, and the benefit it has to you as an electricity consumer. Here are the 8 reasons. Number 1, it is going to save you a stack of money. Number 2, it's absolutely risk-free. The product has been tested with the SABS Bureau of Standards. Number 3, it's extremely easy to install. Everything you need is in the pack. Number 4, there is no health risk to you at all. Number 5, it is a lifetime investment because you can reuse the blanket on a geyser when it's replaced. Number 6, your impact on the environment will be significantly reduced by installing your geyser blanket. Number 7, it is excellent for solar geysers as well. And number 8, lastly, for store owners in terms of the packaging and what you can do with displaying the product. So let's start in detail with these reasons, each individually. Reason number 1, saving you a stack of money. In line with the Consumer Protection Act and being very aware of the claims that we make, it has been assessed that the geyser blanket, of which we installed 122,500 for Eskom, saving a whopping 5.82 megawatts in 2006. This saving was confirmed by the Cape University of Technology. And depending on your municipal area and your electricity tariff, saving you on average 750 rands a year minimum, or over expected 5-year period, up to 4,000 rands, just in standing losses. When your geyser actually switches on, because it enables the element to heat up faster, the more you use water, the bigger your saving. What a phenomenal investment for you, for your house, and back into your family. Reason number 2, it is absolutely risk-free. The Plum Easy Geyser Blanket, as a package, is the only product in the market that conforms to all the national building standards, and in fact exceeds some of them. The product has been tested at the Fire Lab against SUNS 10177-10, and the test showed that the product doesn't support flame spread. The product has also been tested against SUNS 1381, the National Building Standard for Insulation. And then the great achievement is SUNS 10400XA, which is the energy efficient standard for buildings, which specifies a minimum thermal value, insulation value of an R value of 1. Our product exceeds that by over 160%, giving you optimal energy saving. At the end of our video, we'll give you a link to a test, the only test of its kind worldwide, that we developed with Fire Lab to test a blanket as an installed unit on a geyser. In this test, you'll see that this product is the only product that you can be comfortable and feel safe with installing on your geyser. That should there be any electrical shortages or fire, that this product will not support that fire test, leaving you as a homeowner safe and risk-free. Reason number 3, easy to install. The Plum Easy Geyser Blanket comes as a complete kit, so all you need when you get into your ceiling, a step ladder, a scissor, and a kit. Everything you need to install the blanket at this standard is inside the bag. You've got your installation brochure and a full kit, which includes your fitment tape, the strapping, and the buckles. One easy solution for a full installation, all in one convenient package. Reason number 4, no health risk. The Plum Easy Geyser Blanket is constructed from a polyester blanket. The product is soft, gentle, environmentally friendly, and easy to touch. The product has no respiratory risk. It's clean, and in fact the same as your bedding material, your cushions and duvets. It's a very high quality of insulation product and poses no risk or irritant value. For our great energy saving hero that will be installing the Geyser blanket, there's no irritant or itch risk when he installs the blanket up in your roof space. Reason number 5, lifetime investment. The Plum Easy Geyser blanket is constructed with a polyester blanket, but very importantly an indestructible foil layer which cannot tear and doesn't deteriorate. That means if your geyser after 5 years or more bursts, all that the plumber needs to do is loosen the straps and reinstall it on your new geyser. So, one investment in purchasing your geyser blanket will be a lifetime investment on insulating your geysers and saving continuously. Reason number 6, your impact on the environment. By installing a geyser blanket as a responsible energy user, you significantly contribute to saving energy. Over a 5-year period, a minimum of 1.5 tons of CO2 carbon emissions that goes into the environment. So with one investment, one installation, your impact in the environment towards a sustainable future and a future for our kids is significant. Reason number 7, works excellent on solar geysers. A solar geyser, heating your water from the sun. By installing a geyser blanket, we retain that beautiful sunshine energy in our tank for even longer by limiting energy losses. At night, the first person that showers draws cold water into the tank. Inherently, the electrical element switches on. The blanket, again, because of better insulation, helps for the tank to heat faster and then again lose less heat during the evening. Hence, the Plum Easy Geyser blanket, excellent contribution towards a solar geyser to increase its efficiency. Reason number 8, packaging, and specifically for the store owners. The packaging of this product was developed to be a very high quality virgin polyethylene. The product has got special plasticizers so that when you put the product in your shop front, that it's a beautiful, clean product. The product comes in a bag of 10, again with a very high quality, durable, plasticized packaging. This packaging can be dropped 1 story high and it won't burst. And we want to get the blanket clean and beautiful onto the shop floor shelves. What makes this product ideal is we've designed the packaging in such a way that the outer bag can be rolled down, and this will then be a beautiful in-store design. So now that the bag is rolled down, you can see the packaging is designed so that it's ideal for a shop front display. The geyser blankets, when seen, is automatically bought by a customer. But if it's not seen and it's in the back of the store by the geyser and the dirty cement bags, customers aren't aware of it. And that's why we did a very high quality display so that the product can be by the cashier counters. It can be within the visual sight of the customers, and it enables you to move a lot of this product. I hope that this was a great summary of the 8 reasons why the Plum Easy Geyser blanket is your unique solution to saving energy, saving money, and contributing to a phenomenal future. Please click on our YouTube video links that will follow at the end of this video to view more of the information on this excellent product, the Plum Easy geyser blanket.